Okay, everyone, I would like to give you a little bit of help on the written assignment group work. I think this is okay, graphing this equation, this function. I think you can use your online graphing calculator. You first graph yourself, then check with the graph from the online graphing calculator I replied in one of the student discussion area. The synthetic division, I give many examples in the previous videos. And this one I have given example as well. Whenever you look at this coefficient, well, polynomial function with the real coefficient at least a degree have zeros. Okay. So basically, Okay. So basically, you have a 0, 0. So it's x minus 0, right? And it's x minus 5. That's the first root. Second root is x minus. The root is 1 plus 2i, right? Well, there's another one is when the complex root always comes as a pair of conjugate. If there is one complex root, you also have another one for sure. So the conjugate of this one is 1 minus 2i. Okay, so you have that in your I'll simplify that, right? This is pretty simple. It's just a normal function. You can finish that. And written the 12th term, use the normal expansion theorem. The same here. So the group work, there's one student asked me the group work. I'll give you a little bit help here. So draw a similar figure that shows the geometric how to complete a square on expression x squared plus 8x. So from here, this is a rectangle, and now this becomes a square. Okay, what it does? You actually this one actually break this green into two parts. Half of green, half of B. Put this two green part separately, divide evenly, and put that green here. And there's a missing part here to need for a whole square. So what is this question mark here? We can tell the area of a square is the question mark. Look at the question mark here. Okay, question mark area is a square. The length is what? B over 2, right? The height of the question mark area, the question mark square, the height is what? Also B over 2, because this is square. So now, what is the area? What is the area of this question mark? Is length times height, right? So equals B over 2 times B over 2, right? Times B over 2. Okay. So now this equals B squared over, so which is B over 2 squared, right? So now what is that? What is this one? What is x squared plus B over 2 squared square? So what is that? Let me use that. So what is x plus B over 2 square? So basically from this picture you can see we have 4 parts. First part, x squared. It's that pink square. Second is B over 2 times x. It's one of the green rectangle. We have another rectangle. It's another green rectangle plus the other green rectangle times x. Then plus the question mark square. So question mark, okay, plus the area of the question mark, which is B over 2 times B over 2, which I did in the previous line, which is B over 2 square. Okay, so this equals what? You simplify that, it just equals x squared plus bx plus b squared over 4, right? So this is for this one. And for the next one, you actually have exactly the same thing you need to do, and here b equals what? B equals 4 for the next question. So actually it's plus 8x, right? Plus 8x excuse me, The previous question b is x squared plus bx, and everything is b. Now is x squared plus 8x, so it's giving us specific b equals 8 for the part C. Now complete blanks and give some. This is kind of like a problem help to understand the completing square from geometric perspective. Okay, b equals 8, plug it in, you get everything here, and you put it here. This is 8 divided by 2, and then you simplify that. b is 8, so finish that. Okay. The group act work is not really hard this time. Alright, so I think the written assignment is due tomorrow, Friday. If you need any other help, just let me know. But I think so far I looked at all the problems okay.